Black and white image or monochromatic image is always special for the photographer. So today I am going to show you how to create infrared black and white image with help of single click. So let's start. So for that, I open the image in Adobe Photoshop and it is a colorful image. From that I am going to create amazing black and white image with the help of single click. I am going to come over here in the layer, new adjustment layer, black and white, and I am going to give as a infrared. Okay, normally when you create a black and white image, this is what is going to come, and this image doesn't have much information. Look at the image, it's almost like kind of flattened over here, doesn't have much details. But what I am going to do, I am going to create infrared black and white image. Normally infrared information is not visible in our naked eye. So here with the help of Photoshop, what I am going to do, I am going to get all this light information or the details into this image, and that image when I'm converting into the black and white, I'm going to get extra details to this image. So let's see what exactly is going to happen. So for that I'm going to select the black and white image again, and in the presets what I'm going to select infrared. Now look at the details. I just want to show you before and after. This was the default and this is the infrared. Look at the detail. So now your image having more detail, and this is the comparison between normal black and white image and infrared black and white image. So look at the detail, it's really amazing. This is what I want to show you with you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you, bye.